going to attempt a new design for this melt and pour glycerin soap. So I'm using the Herbal Essence fragrance oil from Brambleberry. It has a really low usage rate, safe usage rate, so I'm going to use it for the melt and pour only, not cold process. Also, it races in cold process. I have tested it. It's not fun to use, but this will be totally fine. It's a beautiful scent, and it does sell really well. But I want to make a totally different design. In the past, I had done kind of a floral embed, but I want to try lace this time. So I've made these discs already, and I'm using my impression mat. But see those pretty lace patterns have a little bit different on each one. So the batch that I'm making is going to make 30 individual soaps, and I have over there I have some individual circle molds that I'm going to be using, and I have just a regular biscuit cutter. This is a little bit smaller than the mold. So my plan is to pour a base color. I have these two colors from Nurture. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. I've got a Bluebell and an Island Sunset. They're really pretty colors. I'm going to be adding it to a goat's milk base. I'm not sure how much I'm going to need, so I'm going to kind of play. I may end up adding a little bit more blue, but I think a really nice soft antique blue behind this, put Seagon color behind there, I think it'll be really pretty. So I need to make one more like half batch of the lace impression, and then I'll be ready to do the rest of it. So with this, I'm only going to show one of them. It took me a little bit to figure out how to do it, because with cold process you can just pour it on and then it kind of comes off like an icing. The glycerin soap melt and pour does not. So you can see here I had tried just pouring it on and it doesn't come off in a smooth piece. It was cracking. I tried putting saran wrap, something sticky on it. It wasn't working. So I ended up trying it again, putting the glycerin soap on there, and then I poured a layer of clear on top, let it set up, and then came back and cut out those circles, and that worked really well. So my goal, my plan, is to pour, once this is done, pour the base, let it set up enough, place these, put a little bit of clear on top, just so I'm not melting this lace pattern, and then pouring the rest of the clear on top of that. So let's go ahead and do this, and I'll fast forward for the majority of it so you can see how it is made, and then the final look.